Hi, this is Don Worthley from IT Crossing. You can reach me at don@itcrossing.com, and let's have some fun with MetaPost. There are three quick things that we'll cover. We'll talk about how easy it is to install MetaPost. We'll take a look at configuring a Windows Live Writer account, and then we'll create a post and take a look at some of the fun things that you can do with some of the professional edition features that we've just released. Installing is easy. You'll log in as host. You'll go to Module Options and then click on the Install New Module option. You'll select your file and just click Install New Module, and that's it. Creating a Windows Live Writer account will take just a minute, and we'll walk through the process right now to show you how easy it is. We'll choose the Weblog menu and choose Add Weblog Account. We'll choose Another Weblog Service and click Next. We'll type the URL in. This is the URL to the root of our website, and we'll type in our username and password. With that typed in, we'll click Next. Here we'll select the type of weblog that we're going to use. We'll choose MetaWeblog API, and then we'll type the URL in for the posting URL. You'll include any child portals or any virtual directories that you're using, and then you'll follow it with /metapost.ashx !key equals, and then you put the friendly name of the module provider that you're connecting to. In our case, we'll use the blog module provider. We'll click Next. Windows Live Writer will ask us if we want to download the styles from our site. We'll go ahead and say yes. This is a nice feature that allows us to see our post the way it'll appear in DotNetNuke once we've posted it. Okay, that's all there is. We're done and we're ready to post. Highlight three of the Web 2.0 enhancements that we've added to the professional edition of MetaPost. The first is the auto image expander, and I have some images here. We'll pretend like that we've just come back from a soccer game, and I'm just going to drag and drop those into my post. And that's it. We have our images. Next is the auto link expander, and I have some text here that I've selected. I'm going to hit Control-K on my keyboard, type the URL in for this link, and then I'm going to go down to the REL attribute and just type MP. And that's it. If you don't see this, you can click the Advanced button. Click OK. Finally, footnotes. I have the ability to add footnotes really easily. I'll select text that I want to use as the trigger for my footnote. Hit Control-K. I'm going to type MP1 for my first footnote. My second footnote would be MP2, and so on. And then I already have a footnote entered here, but you'll see what I'm using is syntax like this, where I specify the beginning and the ending of my footnote with a square bracket, MP1, and then a close square bracket. And then at the very end, I have a square bracket, a / MP1, and a closing square bracket. And inside this, I can place any HTML content, and I can also have images and other footnotes. If I want to have nested footnotes, I can have nested footnotes within nested footnotes within nested footnotes, as many levels deep as I'd like. All right, we're ready to publish this. And here's our post. I'll click on this first image. You can see I have a gallery. I'm using my arrow keys to scroll through the images. These images are actually larger than what you can see inside the browser window, and I can see that with this icon here, and I can click this and I can expand this image and use my mouse to move it around the screen. The auto link expander is a nice feature for keeping your users right here in your site, and it opens the window that you're linking to, the page that you're linking to in an expandable window. You can see that. Close that window. And then finally the footnote. You'll see my footnote that I added does not appear until I click on it. When I click on it, the footnote appears. I can move it around. If I have HTML, if I have images inside of the footnote, I can click on the images and we'll see those expand. And when I print these footnotes, it'll actually add a number next to the footnote, and the footnotes will be printed in the actual printed text. I'm posting with the blog module provider, but there are other providers that ship with MetaPost and that third-party module developers have created. So there are providers for the FAQs module, text HTML, Venture and News Articles module, ZLDNN's DNN article module, Magic Content module, and we have more in the works. That's it for the introduction. We thank you very much for your interest in MetaPost, and we'd love to hear from you. You can reach me again at don@itcrossing.com. Thanks.